Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Young football talent from Nongkanri selected for Indian Under-17 Asian Cup squad. Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association boosts local talent and unity. Meghalaya expands tourism horizons with Philippines partnership. And new office bearers elected at Shillong Press Club. And now the news in detail. In a proud moment for Nongkanri, Khuborjylla has been chosen as one of the under-17 players representing India in the upcoming Asian Cup. Hailing from the village of Nongkanri, Khuborjylla emerged as one of the top 30 talents selected nationwide. A celebratory gathering on July 5th at Nongkanri ground honoured his achievement with Gavin Milimngap, MLA Sora, commending the youngsters' dedication. Encouraging local youth, Gavin emphasized the importance of perseverance and diligence in nurturing one's talents. He urged Khuborjylla to approach the rigorous training ahead with humility and determination. The village now eagerly anticipates Khuborjylla's journey, hoping his skills will contribute to India's success on the international stage.
Nagalang Jogajingkran Jogbase, Hoy Nagalang Jogo All India Football Federation, Klajiet Yei, Yo Samla, Hapo Katakatup, Hapo Kita, Kilai Puingut, but Kinyo Pania Lake Simbanta, Katega Kam Hangte Poshil Nagar, but Nagalang Gajongi, Nishim Negalat, Ban Ai, Gajinkit Bok, Kidwang, Kamtam Namantani Kun Samla, Bon Poi Shakatakatup, Bon Shajit, Banyo Yo Banishim Benta, Hapogate South Asian Football Federation Jonas Nem Pomenta. Minayo Snow, Lingba Kanongkanri Football Club Association, Yagajingya Linti Jong Unikun Samla. Losdang Yagajingya Linti Napo Kamokhal Sports Club under 14. Bernilayo Snow de Shisha Kajingya Linti Gajongu Kamde Kalinti Kabasuk. Rengi Sokomen Badai Lingba Kajingya Don Mensim Gajongu Lingba Kajingya Ine Gajongu Ban Persang Man Poi Shakatakathong Balong Uklur Nagamenta Negadonga Thai Berkumju Nagajilla
Bon menta te babot te Kim Chan ka football te oi ki babon ki club asor bapau mo te oi nga sambun bon ki cimaklah asor mo ngala sya tim na coach ngala sya tim long nó cùng sâu thế sẽ tiêm tầm bằng nghìn học nghề yaşa thế bằng bây giờ thông học nghề yaşa học trestom các bạn kỹ coach học nghề đã kỹ tiêm mà kana rồi mi học ngap học nghề để chính trong y nama đi tiêm đây thế và tiêm snail tiêm mình bahas trong kêu trong y thế thằng tay thế học bằng trestom là đây mẹ bạn xem học trestom y thế ngap trestom ngap do yabi ngap praktis man step awak ngap perla tang perla sondukan men step ngap praktis cenmet danga sondukan cenmet ngap praktis men step kunta sar te ai ngok mo yo play terkenal baun play kalar kanti yang amo ban siaje dah kata fast 11 jonga India team to under 17 te mantai sa te sim suatu ai sa hima ina sinam dari presiden jemi i wala pensul yang amo ben praktis ban jakar hi teng aku play siai te aku play ban ya i sarkmen i wala khot yang amo an mokhar i baju bayi yang teng aku play ya i sarkmen ya i sarbis na ukernai sarbarem i wala khot yang ban la kai sukutukom na ukernai teng aku play ya i sarse iba jangan mau iba cu ai baibut man kapor pangalakai te
The Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association (MAWA) recently organized public competitions along roadsides to popularize the sports among children, youth and seniors alike. This initiative aims to foster interest and participation in arm wrestling, highlighting it as a testament to strength and determination for both men and women. While the sport has gained traction internationally, it is still emerging in villages across India, including Meghalaya. Notably, several young athletes from Meghalaya have garnered recognition nationally, bringing pride to their families, villages and the state through their achievements in arm wrestling competitions. These athletes have also represented India in international handball tournaments, showcasing the region's growing prowess in competitive sports on a global stage.
Listen to the referee. Athletes, listen to the referee. And the winner is Mr. Pa! Sividan! Pipet mentan Baisam Kamai. I Alex Idainaka para kategori Idai I Samla I Bomla Banyu Snow Henry Idan Pat ya kemensi yang babatrang Banyu Kai yang kecil Kai. Even second bout was won by Mr. Jong. Listen to the referee, athletes.
Turn. Warning.
After Grace ni. Pada saat itu tema.
Pejum ni testing.
After Grace.
Grip. Dia.
Cok lah try.
Kita dah.
Cok dia.
Rồi nanti.
After Grace.
Jam dah.
Grace.
Jam dah.
Turn.
Turn. Turn.
Yes, that's perfect.
Go. Stop. First elbow foul.
First elbow foul to Khubor.
Jam.
Turn.
Maaf ya. Warm up wait.
Well, ini warning sini fall.
Warning ni.
Fall.
Turn. Turn.
Turn. Knuckle.
Ini ni first.
Referee.
And
Away to four.
Very quick start fall.
Relax. Banda atau Margaret? Close thumb. Banda. Don't pull, don't press. Don't pull, don't press. Stop. Pulling. First foul.
first foul to Kong Wanda. Another foul. It will be declared a losing game to Kong Wanda for the second bout.
Close thumb. Margaret.
The next athlete to be prepared is Mr. Mai versus Mr. Roy.
Kumana na!
Tan.
Meghalaya's government plans to send several youths experienced in tourism management to the Philippines for training and exposure, announced Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo on July 5th. This initiative aims to bolster tourism development within the state by leveraging international best practices. Additionally, future plans include sending students for specialized training in the Philippine tourism industry. H. Jain, the newly appointed Indian ambassador to the Philippines, visited Meghalaya to explore opportunities for collaboration, emphasizing youth development in tourism. The ties between Meghalaya and the Philippines are strengthened by shared interests in music, dance and English as a common language, facilitating mutual understanding. Both regions also share a significant Christian population, fostering cultural exchanges and cooperation.
Nadang shu yo panyakendo mantan ya Mr. Harsh Kumar Jain bulawan ban jungo yang hani hak office trekam secretariat lalong teng nong kitins im ambassador juga India hari Ukraine but mentau net hak next stint jungu the posting jungu kabare Philippines di kajing jungo kajing wan kendo jungu yang kalong kemu menteri bade Peit ya tourism kekamsan jungo perthai arts and culture namar gidan bun ki aka ki wa kini ki artali ka Meghalaya bat ka Philippines ki yasriam kawai kadai kajing klan jongi hagal yang kaput kadem ka bakiru ki klan ba te ni lekran chapang kumno ba kinau rai ki jongki kinyo ban jungo eka jala jongi bat ki jongi ya kari ki jongki bat kumju ba namakila khamyat maki khamsha khamat kumno ba nginyo ban learn ru naki te ni lai penbet ru bahkan ni ke program ke jungi ke Meghalaya grassroots music production MGMP ngin kanlong ke jing plialinti ba ki kena Samla ki jongi ki pamata ki don kumbalai hajar tam apo jong ke MGMP kinla ban yo lat ban lek ban peni ka sap ka pong jongki sha Philippines but ki jongki ru ba kinyo ban wan sha ka jala ka jongi.
Your purpose of visiting Shillong?
On July 5, 2024, the Shillong Press Club conducted elections for its new leadership. Dame Maya L. Siangshai was elected president through a process overseen by the state government's Information and Public Relations Department. Savio T. Dingdo clinched the position of General Secretary uncontested, while Jershom Hat secured the treasurer's post. The announcement of results was attended by Malthus Sangma, director of DIPR, along with department officials and members of the media, marking a pivotal moment for the Journalists Association in Meghalaya.
Votes and Shri Rafael Warjri acquired 6 votes. So the president, your new elected president, is Shri D.L. Siangshai. Shri Savio Dingdo has been elected uncontested. And for the post of treasurer, Shri Jershomi, please. Gershom. Okay, Gershom had secured 113 votes. And Shri Martin Nomla secured 50 votes. So your new treasurer is Shri Gershom Hat. Gershom Hat. And now.
It has not been easy because there was nothing in writing in the beginning when we were requested to conduct the election for the Shillong Press Club, which is, I believe, is a prestigious institution because all of you are professionals, all of you are prestigious, all of you are esteemed. With that in mind, we thought how to start with it and strike a balance with all the views that every member has in their capacity. Somehow, the members nominated by Shillong Press Club were so helpful. All of you were so disciplined, and today, especially in the elections, my officers' report was very good. That is why Commissioner Secretary was so happy to come down by himself, because we reported that it was so smooth, everyone was so disciplined, and everyone was so excited. And, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Let's hope so. From now onwards, all of us will be together. All the members will be supporting the new president, new general secretary, and treasurer. And you will be having. The idea is the decision in the committee meeting is that the new president and general secretary will call a general body meeting where the other posts will be filled up by election or selection by head count or hands count. So I hope all of you will be unanimous in that. All of you will cooperate with them. Together we can do so many things, because you have lost so many things, so many facilities as journalists. So in the days and years to come, for the next 3 years, I leave the responsibility to your new president, general secretary, treasurer, and the new executive committee, along with all the members, esteemed members, that together we will be able to build more transparent, more vibrant Shillong Press Club.
At the very outset, I would like to thank all my colleagues, all my members who have.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited several parts of Garo Hills on July 4th, 2024, assessing the aftermath of recent floods and landslides. Areas severely impacted by heavy rains include Tikrikila, Chingbinang, Pulbari, Rajabala, Hali Deganj and Mahendraganj. The natural disasters have caused significant loss, with some families losing homes and lands and tragic loss of lives reported. Sangma's visit underscores the government's commitment to addressing these challenges and ensuring measures are in place to safeguard residents during such incidents. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.